Namaskar. I am going to talk about meditation. I like to help people through the meditation. This is the healing meditation and guided meditation. I have a plan to make this meditation series of meditations. Different type of guiding meditation. I strongly believe it helps people for beginners especially how to meditate. Very short meditate. This guiding meditation, you can use it whenever, wherever you feel you need, you feel you want. This guiding meditation 100% help you, enhance you, heal you quickly. Very short meditation, just 5 minutes. This practice can help you to calm yourself and it definitely keep your nerve system relax. And you can use this meditation whenever, wherever you want. For an example, during your examination in your exam hall, during your interview time, during a meeting, during an event, wherever you feel to refresh yourself quickly, just 5 minutes. This guided meditation 100% help you, enhance you, make you to feel refreshed and the pure energy. However, whenever you can save this and use it. And the first meditation I'm going to give you 5 minutes meditation is most of the people complains. With the complaint, they come to me and they say short sleep, short of sleep. Very, very less time they are sleeping, they are unable to get sleep. So this bedtime guided meditation definitely help you to calm yourself, relax yourself, and sleep comfortably, thoroughly. You can sleep very well. Let us begin. Relax yourself, completely relax yourself. Sit your butt and before going to bed, ensure all your works are completed and everything is settled down at home and everyone is settled down at home. Then sit besides your bed and relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and say, I thank myself being here. I thank healing energy Reiki being here. I am saying my name. You can put your name, dash. My name is Devi, okay? I thank Devi being here. You can say Kamala being here, Nadrajan being here, whatever the name you have being here. And Reiki Master, I am your master at present. I am your guru at present. So put my name. I thank Devi Seshadri Guru being here. And I'm completely healing. I'm completely dissolving all my worries, all my fears, tensions, anger, and depressions. completely dissolving the negative energy. And this meditation thoroughly helping me for sleep comfortably. Take a deep breath and relax. Stand beside your bed and slowly begin to settle down. Now you feel all your nerve system is settling down. Quiet down the thoughts, quiet down the thoughts that have pursued you throughout the day. Quiet down the thoughts that pursued you throughout the day and allow the mind to calm to a place of silent stillness. Allow your mind to calm and the place of stillness. Feel the ground and rise up. Feel the ground, feel the ground and rise up to meet your feet and ground you. Feel yourself standing strong and still. Feel yourself standing strong and still. Take a breath and relax. Allow for a moment to pause a while. You deepen your breath, your breath, and become more aware of what is going on your body. Become more aware of what is going on your body. Traveling from the ground up, traveling from the ground up. Notice how you feel. Your feet, your calf, your knees, keen, thighs, and so on. Feel your feet, calf, keen, thighs, and so on. Move upward, move upward, put gently, move upward, put gently. You do not want to rush. You do not want to rush. This now and slow. Allow a moment to pause in stillness, to pause stillness for each and every parts of your body, each and every cells of your body, each and every area of your body. Now, once you have reached the crown of the head, once you have reached crown of your head, feel you have reached the crown of your head, feel, feel, sit down. Now sit down in a bed as gently as you possibly can, as gently as possibly you can. Remain in that place of inner stillness. Remain in the place of inner stillness. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your body feels now. How your body feels now. Now it aligns to this new position. Now it aligns to this new position. Just like before, travel from the head, travel from the head down this time, softening, liberating energy in your body. Feel the energy flowing. Once you reach the toes, continue to soften and breathe until your body feels as soft as a cloud. Until your body feels as soft as a cloud. You are ready to sleep now. You are ready to sleep now. Calm yourself. Take a breath and repeat. Feel the softness and say the closing again. I thank myself being here. I thank Reiki healing energy being here. I thank whatever your name being here. I thank Reiki Master, Guruji, Devi Seshatri being here. I am completely dissolved. All the negative energy, I am dissolved fear, worry, tension, anger, and depression. All my negative energies are dissolved. I am calm. Allow the peace, softness, gentleness. Now you are in complete sleep. Continue the sleep. Get up in the morning, thanking the nature, thanking of attitude of gratitude. Live in the attitude of gratitude. Completely refresh. Start your day with happiness and peace, with gratitude. I complete, I complete, I complete. Enjoy the flow and sleep off. Stay tuned tomorrow with another guided meditation. Until stay tuned, connect. Bye bye.